Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing the GlamEgo box for the month of February. So this is how the box has arrived, and it has all alphabets over it and their name in the center. It's a white box. So this is how it is from inside. Then there is this beauty box contest, shopper stop vouchers, and then this is from Mac Cafe. So these are the two cards. Let's start with the products. The first product is this Saffron Radiance Face Cream, and it is from the Nature's Co. This is how it is, and it is 550 rupees, exclusively made for GlamEgo. It's 25 ml. Let me show you the texture. This is how the texture is. It's very drippy texture. I'll just apply some and I'll show you how it feels. Let me just apply some on my hand and let me see how it does. It blends in very nicely, and it is not very oily. It is very moisturizing without having that oiliness. It gets absorbed in the skin very nicely, as you can see. I like the cream. I can just see I'm using them. So this is the first product. Then we have this Chrono Care Polystop Face Protective Screen Against Pollution for Face. So this is face mist, and it is from Chrono Care. It retails for $4.95, and it is 30 ml product. It has this spray thing. The third product is the McCaffeine product, Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack, clay based for oily skin with argan oil and vitamin E. This is a 25 ml product, and the price is not mentioned. Yeah, the price is 359 rupees. So this is how it is. Let me open it and show you how it looks from the inside. It has a cap, good, so there's no dripping. It smells like chocolate, guys, and this is a mud pack. It really smells like chocolate, as like when I opened it, it was full chocolate aroma. And then we have the last product. This is again from Naturals Bath and Body. This is their Wild Wonder, the Wicked Whiff of Wilderness. This is 200 ml bottle, and it retails for, can't see the price anywhere. There's no price written. So this is the fourth and the final product. I hope you all like the unboxing. Please subscribe to my channel and do keep watching for more videos. Thanks a lot.